Hi guys, welcome to Memo's Tutorials. If you're having any challenges with logarithms, this is the best platform for you. Or if you already know them and you really want to improve your skills, it's also the best video for you, okay? So today we're going to be looking at the laws of logarithms. Once you know your laws, it becomes very easier for you to deal with any questions with logarithms, okay? So, law number 1 says logarithm of A plus the logarithm of B is equal to logarithm of A times B. Logarithm of A times B. That's very important. Okay. AB simply means logarithm of A times B. Also take note that you only write one logarithm. Okay. It was log A plus log B, but then now we are writing as logarithm of A times B. Okay. And then law number 2 says logarithm of A minus logarithm of B. So logarithm of A minus logarithm of B is equal to logarithm of A over B. It's not logarithm of A all divided by logarithm of B. It's logarithm of A over B. Okay, 1 log, then A over B. Take note of that, okay? And then our law number 3 says n logarithm of A. So n logarithm of A, this is going to be equal to logarithm of A to the power n. When this n comes this side, it will become a power on A, okay? It's going to be logarithm of A to the power n. And then the next, number 4 is very, very important. Take note of that. Logarithm of A base A is equal to a 1. A can be any number. Logarithm of 10 base 10, it's a 1. Logarithm of 5 base 5, logarithm of x base x, it's going to be equal to a 1. You must take note of that, okay? Then the other important part is we should be familiar with logarithm of 1, logarithm of 10, log 100, log 1000, or even log 0,01. How do we get those? So today we're going to look at logarithm of 1 base 10. It's going to be the first one that we're going to be looking at. Logarithm of 1 base 10. So we will say let our logarithm of 1 base 10 be equal to x. Let logarithm of 1 base 10 be equal to x. Now let's solve for x. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to say 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Take note of that. We're going to say 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Now using the knowledge of our laws of indices, how can we write 1 in terms of 10? Okay, so this is going to be 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 0. I hope you guys still remember your laws of indices to say any number to the power 0 is equal to a 1. Okay, so we chose to use a 10 in this case because we're having 10 to the power x. So our value for x will be equal to 0, like that. Our value for x will be equal to 0. So logarithm of 1 base 10 is equal to a 0. It can be logarithm of 1 with any other base, but because it's logarithm of 1, it's going to be a 0, right? Logarithm of 1, it's a 0, okay? Then the next one now, let's look at logarithm of 10, okay? Let's say let log 10 base 10, sometimes they don't put 10 as a base like what I did there. You saw there I wrote log 1 base 10 like that. But sometimes when it's in log 10, they don't put the logarithm sign, right? You must take note of that. So let logarithm of 10 base 10 be equal to x. Now let's solve for x. We'll say 10 to the power x. 10 to the power x is equal to 10 like that. At 10 as it is the same as 10 to the power 1. So our value for x would be equal to 1. Okay. So logarithm of 10 is equal to a 1. So make sure you remember this. Logarithm of 1, it's a 0. Logarithm of 10, it's a 1. Okay. Number 7, let's look at logarithm of 100 base 10. Log 100 base 10. Let's let everything be equal to x. So in this case, going to be 10 to the power x is equal to 100. 100 in terms of 10 is 10 to the power 2, right? So 10 to the power x would be equal to 10 to the power 2. We take the powers, our x would be equal to a 2, okay? So logarithm of 100 base 10 is equal to a x, okay? And then you guys, I'm leaving you the homework. You must find out what's logarithm of 1000 base 10. Okay, logarithm of 1000 base 10. So basically, these are things that you need to familiarize yourself with for you to be able to answer questions on logarithms effectively. Okay, so if you benefited from watching this video, please don't forget to share with your friends, to subscribe, and also to click the notification button so that you don't miss any of our videos. Part 2 is coming. Okay, thank you.